This is Andrew Leon with Marlin Spike Consulting. In this video I'm going to demonstrate how to use citations in Microsoft Word. Citations are a way of being able to take references in a document and insert and manage those references that are commonly used in an academic setting. So to insert a citation in Microsoft Word, I first click into the point of the document where I would like the citation to appear, click the References tab, the Insert Citation button, and then Add New Source. When I do this, it gives me a choice on what type of source I would like to add. I'll choose book for this first one. And then I have to type in the information that I can use to identify the book, starting with the author. I'll include the year and the publisher as well. And now I've created a new source. Note that in the lower left corner of this window there's also a tag name for that source, which is a combination of a number and the author's last name. When I click OK, my citation has appeared in the document. It's the last name of the author of the citation of the book, and it's stored the rest of that information in with the sources. Now, if I need to use that citation a second time, I can click in the Word document at the location for the second citation, click the Insert Citation button, and the source is already there on the menu that drops down. So I can choose that and refer to that citation more quickly. Let me enter a second citation, this time using a placeholder. So again, I'm going to click into the point in the document where I would like that citation to appear, click the Insert Citation button, and this time Add New Placeholder. I then give the placeholder a name. In this case, I will use the last name of the author of that document, but anything is fine as long as it doesn't have spaces in the name. I'll click OK, and now again I have the last name of the author of that document that appears in my citation. Later on, once I've gathered the information or once I'm ready to type in that information for the source, I can then click Manage Sources, and on the right hand side the current list shows the list of the citations that are currently in use in this document. The placeholder citation for DeQuill has a question mark next to it, so I can click on that and then click the Edit button, and that will allow me to type in the rest of the information for this citation. For this one, I'm going to use a article in a periodical. And because this is a periodical, I have slightly different fields to type in this case not just the year but also the month of the period of the publication as well. And there's some other things in there like the pages and so on. Note that the tag name is still listed in the lower right hand corner, lower left hand corner. If I click OK, I see that the placeholder citation has now been updated with a check mark because it's a cited source. And then when I click Close, I still see the last name there as the reference for the citation. Now that I've got the information for those citations stored with my sources, I can then use that information to insert a bibliography. I simply go to the place in the document where I would like that bibliography to appear, click the Bibliography button, and I have several built-in formats for a bibliography. I'll choose the first one. And you can see that the two sources that I've typed in appear there as the bibliography for this document. So that's how to use citations and how to create a bibliography from those citations. And again, this is commonly used in writings that are done in an academic context.